Hi, I'm Amie Goltz, Director of Field Education and Academy at Scruples. I'm here today to introduce to you Scruples Blazing Highlights Toner Infused Gel Color and Shadow Lowlights Filler Infused Gel Color Systems. Both of these products contain PBX, Protective Barrier Complex, an innovative patented formula that replenishes moisture and protein and helps maintain the elasticity and improves hair inner strength. PBX works to surround and protect the dye molecule while depositing hair color deep into hair. The result is beautifully conditioned hair with incredible shine. Blazing Highlights lifts 1 to 7 levels on natural or color-treated hair with 5 gel color options that can create up to 19 different shades. Blazing Highlights Oil Lightener encapsulates the color molecule, working to maintain the integrity of the hair throughout the lightening process. The concentrated persulfate booster provides accelerated lightening action. This colorist-controlled lift is not a powder bleach and will not overshoot your desired level, ensuring accurate lightening results. Each scoop of the Extra Light Booster Concentrate represents 1.5 to 2 levels of lift. To develop your blazing highlights, use only a pure oxy liquid 10 or 20 volume developer. Nothing over 20 volume developer is ever needed with this system. For optimal results, I always apply Scruples Hair Clarifier treatment to purify my client's hair before the color service. This is our model Megan. Her hair has been clarified, and a base shade has been applied, and a level 5 gold from high definition custom mixing gel color system. Before we begin Megan's highlight application, I'm going to show you how to formulate using the Gel Level Finder. This is based on the Milady American Level system, which is the standard for all gel color systems. Formulate to the darkest level of the hair. Fan it out to see where the color matches. Megan's hair matches up to a level 5. Determine the desired highlight, choosing 1 or more shades with the Blazing Swatch Book. For Megan, I've chosen Caramel and Honey Blonde. Find the natural or color-treated level down the left side of the chart and the desired shade across the top. Intersect the two and go to the box to find your formulation. You will have 2 choices of medium lift or maximum lift. Medium lift is when more color deposit is desired. Maximum lift is when more lift is desired. I also take into consideration the hair's integrity and texture. Fine porous hair is going to lift much easier than thick coarse hair. For fine hair, I choose medium lift. For coarse thick hair, I'd choose maximum lift. Step 1. Measure out level scoops of booster powder. For tinted hair or hard water deposits, add 1 additional scoop. For both, add only 1 additional scoop. Step 2. Measure blazing hair color according to chart. Step 3. In the same cup, measure recommended amount of oil lightener. Step 4. Dissolve powder, color, and oil together in the bowl. Step 5. Measure recommended developer and pour in slowly, mixing to a gel-like consistency. Some hot tips for blazing highlights. For optimum results, do not use on hair that is 75% or more gray. For maximum tonal deposit, double the dye load. Increase the color from a 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce, but don't increase the other components. Blazing highlights is meant to be used for an off-the-scalp method of application only. Now I will add Shadow Lowlights Filler Infused Gel Color to create a multi-dimensional effect. Each gel color in the Shadow Lowlight system contains the proper filler to achieve expert results in a single step. 7 gel colors mix to create 18 shades of beautiful, natural-looking lowlights. This system processes with either a 10 volume or demi-permanent developer for lowlights, or can be used as an all-over tint back. Select a shade from the Shadow Swatch Book that complements the blazing colors already chosen. For Megan today, we have chosen Espresso. Step 1. Measure out amount of shadow gel color. Step 2. Add an equal amount of either 10 or demi-permanent developer. This mixes at a 1:1 ratio. Step 3. Mix together to a gel-like consistency. Some hot tips for shadow lowlights. Shadow can be used for 100% gray coverage. Mix with Pure Oxy 20 volume developer at a 1:1 ratio. For porous or damaged hair, use white tea miracle foam. For maximum tonal deposit, double the dye load. Increase from a 1:1 ratio to a 2:1 ratio. When using an on-the-scalp method of application, heat is not recommended. Now we're ready to apply our blazing highlight and our shadow lowlights to our beautiful model Megan. Today I'm going to be using a diamond pattern to achieve maximum color through the fine hair that she has. I'm going to be weaving versus slicing because I don't want it to look too stripy in the hair. Take a fine section that I can see through to be sure that the color is going to evenly saturate. I'm starting with my lightest highlight shade because usually in the front is where we want to see the most color deposit. I'm turning my brush at an angle so that I will have a more natural transition as this highlight starts. This is called a foil on foil or double foil method of application. So I'm going to use that second foil so that I won't have to fold it up and blend the hair in together. And now I'm going to take a section of her hair because we want to see a lot of this beautiful beige shade. So I'm going to take a slice. Again, I'm going to move that out of the way, clip back, and now I'm ready to add in my second shade. Now we're ready to see the finished results of our beautiful model Megan. Look at this beautiful multi-dimensional effect in the hair. All three systems can process simultaneously, allowing stylists to save time, make more money, and stretch their artistic freedom. Our model's color was achieved using Scruples high-definition custom mixing gel color system, Level 5 Gold, Blazing Highlight Honey and Caramel, and Shadow Lowlight Espresso.